Presiden ke Voice of the People's Party ba Ardent Milab Semoj mentaka step ka apotrik no pra jausan ula pai de ke Jubab ya ke Jingkam mentang ba menin ke sni ba ke Jing Slem men pelaj paj ba ya ke Kaiphod ke expert committee kadai nama ba ke Jrong bat ke Rben perak habakran mentaka sni ba Ardent ulang ba kani ke Jubab mentang ba kalau ke uthamula nama ba ke pen I ba ke sokal MDA ka pensiun nang rim ya ka Jingkam juga ada kata ka Jing Rben ba Jinjrong ke polisi Andai haka juga po kerman ba kani ka sokar kan sai madan no ya ka Kaiphod kan expert committee hal ke baha tungkam tung jam kenang ba pai ba ka jila kin yo snow ba kin shai ke ba don hapo juga
Huge. It's 200 kgs of report. That's like 4,000 or 5,000 pages. It is, and one has to go through every single word because even a comma can change the meaning of the report or the meaning of that line. So therefore, it would be wrong for us simply just to say we'll read the conclusion and that's it. It's not like that. It's not so simple. It's huge. As I said, it's a bulk. We had to send a special, vehicle to get the report back because we couldn't bring it in the flight also because it was so big. So as I said, so 200 kgs of paperwork. The chief secretary and the other officials had to go through every line, every page, and it was a very very big task. And of course, they have finished it. They are going to submit it and show it to the cabinet. And of course, as soon as they give it to us, we will be making it public. There's no question of not making it public. This is a matter of great importance to the people, and the people should know what's there in the report. And we will be definitely sharing it. But as I said, you have to be realistic about the fact that that being a sensitive matter, the officials cannot just simply ignore even a single page or even a single word. They had to go through every single bit of it, and that's why it took some time. But they are ready now, so I think very soon we should be making it public. Thank you.
Ka step ka bakmen ya pi baro. Hagani ka step na kwa nai kublei yo chief minister jonga jala Meghalaya. Ublai Jubab Mardor ya ka jingdawa jonga voice of the people party. Ban penmana pat ba no ya ka report jonga expert committee. Wat lada ka party ka singo tamula ya ka jingkren ka jung chief minister. Ubla penpau ba ka daw ka bala penong ya ka sokar ba kama ban Permana pai ba kloi ya kani ka report ka dei na mar ba kani ka report kala jrong pala bat kala khia pala ngim pat ju kami osmo ko ya ka bukum kani ka jing ai daw jong ka sarkar lese ka sarkar MDA balai lam de NPP ka pension rim ya ka policy da ka jing jrong bat ka jing khia jong ka ta ka policy nyuma ni don ka jing kamen ka scam baga sokar kan shu kular thli ban panmana pai ba no ya kani ka report bangi the community passion ka sokar jla kan panmana pai ba no ya kani ka report jong ka expert committee publish boy. Good morning everyone. In this morning I would like to thank the chief minister for his swift response to the demand of the voice of the people party in respect to the report of the expert committee. Even though the party feels it is rather strange to hear from the chief minister that the reason for the delay to announce the report of the expert committee is because the report was too lengthy and too heavy. This is the first time that we have come across this kind of an excuse. Perhaps the NPP led government determines the quality and effectiveness of a policy by the length and the weight of the policy document. Anyway, the party hope that that this is not going to be an empty promise to the people, and that soon the government will come out with a report without further delay. Thank you.